Live from ISC West. Yes, we went by the Assa Abloy booth, but something catch my eye, and the perfect guy to explain what it is Leroy. Leroy, how are we doing?
Doing really well. Thank you.
And now, as you can see here, we have a video intercom from DoorBird. Can you give us a quick overview about DoorBird? What kind of solution you guys provide in the industry?
Sure. DoorBird is our IP video intercom solution, app-based, cloud-based, wonderful solution. This is our new D31 that we just launched at the show. It provides us the ability to leverage LCD screen technology, so you can see it here, to add up to 1,000 units depending on the facility you're using. The other thing that we're able to leverage from a technology perspective with DoorBird is QR coding, RFID embedded technology, and Bluetooth. This gives the DoorBird intercom unit not only from a video perspective, but the solution allows us to bring other portions of the opening aspects like access control, controlling who's going in and out of the facility via an app-based solution that we offer with the DoorBird solution. So pretty flexible. The other great thing with the D31 unit is the ability to configure not only the shape and size of the DoorBird to meet the facility's needs from an aftermarket perspective, but the multiple finishes. Many of our facilities require that the building not only look one color. We have requests for multiple different finishes and colors, and in some cases they want us to etch the facility's branding and name either on the LCD screen itself or on the metal. This makes DoorBird very unique, but we think very technology and design forward from an IP video intercom perspective. It's not just the technology of the video, which is a 2-megapixel camera that we use on the D31, but also how the unit is going to interact with the building and the people in the building, which are just as important.
Yeah, because that can get really complicated when you do an installation. For example, you get in front of a glass door, so you need something specific for this application.
Yes, we get many requests for buildings that have full glass on the exteriors. This is why we make pedestals and allow us to embed the DoorBird and configure the DoorBird unit with multiple buttons for the facilities, depending on the amount of units and personnel you have. DoorBird can do it. DoorBird can meet the requirements of those facilities and those needs, and again, always remembering the design. And from a labor perspective, a lot of our installers and dealer partners out there want to make sure that they're not spending too much time out there. So much of the design was incorporated into making sure that we allow that the units meet the requirements, not allowing for the labor on the facility to take extra time to install the DoorBird. So a lot of these components and solutions came into being while designing the D31 and many of DoorBird's intercoms, if you will.
And now I'd like to touch on something you mentioned. So you were talking about a mobile application. So how is the mobile app connected to DoorBird, the video intercom that we have here?
All IP, all on the cloud. What makes it very unique, we download the app from the App Store, the Google Market, and free app. We do not charge for the app. We do not charge for management of the app on the cloud services. Very important. As many facilities, though, purchase a DoorBird intercom from us, and then they grow. They might build different facilities, different buildings where they want to add DoorBird units for, say, to that facility or to the particular brand developer. And they want to leverage the app and not have to pay those extravagant fees that come with managing many of those devices on the cloud. Very proud to say that DoorBird offers a free app today, and it's leveraged in many ways that way by our users. But we also have facilities, for instance, in senior care, where technology sometimes becomes a little bit cumbersome for the folks that live there. We offer indoor stations, allowing the facility and the tenants to leverage our indoor station with the D31s and the DoorBird intercoms. So if they don't feel comfortable using an app we have a way and a solution for them as well, so they can participate and see what's going on the outside of the building, maybe gain access, whatnot.
Leroy, thank you again for taking the time. I know this has been a busy week, lots of people to meet, but taking the time for Pipl System to being able to review your awesome technologies is always a pleasure. Any last word you would like to say for the people that couldn't come to ISC West this year?
We have a multitude of solutions to help you secure your people, your facilities. DoorBird is a wonderful addition to the ecosystem at Assa Abloy. I would ask anybody out there to please contact our over 650 people in that work for Assa Abloy Door Security Solutions. Go to our website at intelligentopenings.com to learn more about the DoorBird solution. Reach out. We're there to help and assist you and walk you through whatever we need to, from training to site surveys to product demos. Our team is ready to assist in helping to secure your facilities and your people. Thank you.
Thank you, Leroy, and have a great show.
Thank you.